Generally, the stock market is said to have entered a bear market when the broad index, such as the S&P 500, spends at least 2 months at 20% or more below its previous peak. When people talk about a bear market, they're usually referring to a general drop in prices across the entire stock market. But they can exist for other asset classes such as bonds. They don't have to be that broad either. Sometimes a single sector or commodity can be experiencing its own bear market while prices of other securities in asset classes continue to climb. Bear markets have lasted anywhere from a few weeks to several years. No one can predict with certainty when a bear market will end. Historically, bear market and bull markets have not appeared on a regular schedule. Far from it. For example, the bear market of 2020 was the first one where the S&P 500 had experienced since 2009. The next bear market appeared less than 2 years later. So what do bear markets mean for investors? To decide what you should do in a bear market, it's best to consult with your financial advisor. If you're investing to meet long-term financial goals, it may make sense to hold steady during a bear market. That's because the stock market has historically increased over the long term. Selling when prices are low risks selling at a loss, while staying in lets you participate in a rising price environment and the potential of a recovery. For some, it might even be a good idea to add to your investments during a bear market. In that case, consider dollar cost averaging, a popular investment strategy in which you contribute a set amount of money to your stock market portfolio at regular intervals. This negates the risk of trying to time the market. The inevitability of a market downturn is why investors build diversified portfolios in the first place. It makes it less likely that your entire portfolio will be experiencing a downturn at the same time. Your advisor can help you decide what a particular bear market means to your overall plan and whether you need to change your approach. If you would like more information on this or get a second look at your portfolio, we're here to help. Call us today at 602-343-9301 or visit strategyfinancialgroup.com and click on the orange Schedule Meeting button. And you can talk with one of our advisors anytime. Thanks for watching.